2023 Kawasaki KLX230SM First Look New Supermoto Steed in the Corral. There's a new Supermoto Steed in the Corral. The 2023 Kawasaki KLX230SM. This cousin of the KLX230 dual sport bike and KLX300SM Supermoto is an entry-level supermoto machine. It will also be doing double duty as an affordable motorcycle for strafing urban and suburban neighborhoods. As it's a new model, we'll take an end-to-end look at the KLX230SM. The 2023 Kawasaki KLX230SM is powered by a basic single-cylinder engine. It's an air-cooled SOHC 2-valve design. Fueling is via FE with a 32mm throttle body. A 6-speed transmission optimizes the available power from the slightly oversquared 233cc mill. The chassis is a steel perimeter frame with basic suspension. The inverted fork and linkage-assisted shock have no damping adjustments, with the shock offering spring preload adjustability. The suspension travel is shorter than a dual sport bike, though still longer than a pure street motorcycle. The fork has 8 inches of travel, and the rear wheel moves 6.6 inches. The spring rates are also stiffer than on the KLX230 for more poise on the street. You'll find 17-inch wheels at both ends. Pure Street IRCRX01 Road Winner tires are shod on the wire-spoke wheels. The 2023 Kawasaki KLX230SM seat height is lower than the dual sport KLX230, and the geometry tightened up. The KLX230SM's rake is tucked in 1 degree to 26.5 degrees, and the trail shortened 1.2 inches to 3.4 inches. Also, the 54.1-inch wheelbase of the KLX230SM is 0.2 inches shorter than the KLX230. With the shorter suspension and smaller wheels, the seat height of the KLX230SM is an approachable 33.3 inches. That's 1.5 inches lower than the dual-spot KLX230. Braking is Supermoto ready. There's a brawny 300mm pedal disc in the front, and a 220mm disc in the rear. ABS is an option that Supermoto-focused riders will give a hard pass. The various changes result in the KLX230SM weighing 5 more pounds than the KLX230. The 2023 Kawasaki KLX230SM hits the showroom floors immediately with an MSRP of $5,299. If you want ABS, put another $300 down on the table. The standard and ABS models can be had in lime green, with non-ABS buyers able to opt for oriental blue. 2023 Kawasaki KLX230SM specs. Engine type: single-cylinder 4-stroke displacement, 233cc bore X-stroke, 67.0 by 66.0 mm compression ratio, 9.4, 1-valve train, SOHC, 2 valves cooling, air fueling, FE with 32mm throttle body transmission, 6-speed final drive, chain chassis, front suspension, travel, non-adjustable inverted 37mm fork, 8.0 inches rear suspension, travel, linkage-assisted spring preload adjustable shock, 6.6 inches tires, IRCRX01 Road Winner front tire, 110, 70 by 17 rear tire, 120, 70 by 17 front brake, 300mm semi-floating pedal disc with 2-piston caliper rear brake, 220mm pedal disc with single piston caliper ABS. Optional, $300.